Well, let's face the cookie. This morning, Neville and I will be assisting our team members in the Face the Cookie Challenge. Joining us this morning are Cherise Jackson, Cherise Jackson, and Kevoy Gordon. So, Neville's going to take it from here.
Yeah. So,
yes.
Overeat the most cookie.
If your mother ever see her eat it, talk with the cookie there.
No, we're going to show you a video. Apparently, the cookie must go right here, and I'm supposed to end up trying to eat the cookie without taking it off with the man and go. So, say my friend, and bring it down. Where's the video? Show the video now. We'll see how I go.
Then Cherise and Kevin never see the video and then agree if you do it, then careless.
No video? No video.
No video.
All right.
All right.
Them
not need no video. Them know them are
so you do it. Oh, you have to take out. Oh, say the video here. No.
All right. See, and if you lean back.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Should we not ready?
Okay. Car jaw higher than female.
All right, we don't need nothing more.
All right. Our cheekbone higher than female a while ago, you know, so shout out.
Wait, hold on. Catch pan in beard? Yeah. Come, let's go.
As long as it not hitch up in the beard.
Wait, stop.
No, I think I never put the cookie pan on first.
Well, I know. Yeah. So, you are on which team?
Any team. Come, your head's supposed to lean back, Cherise.
No, but...
Cherise, so your head leans so your
head not so you lean back so far. Yeah. All right, see you there now.
Yeah, that's so. Come now.
You are weird. The cookie no move. I eat it.
All right. So much for that one.
Let's give her. Yeah. See there? Yeah. Give her you up this other country.
Well.
Yeah. Catch it by your beard now. See there, see there, see there. Yes. Level bell 1. Delia Harris nil. Come again. Give her look like him hungry. Look, give her look like him hungry. Remember that wait for Where the one they gone? Cherise, where are the Cherise?
Cherise cookie stuck between our jawbone and
Cherise,
our
you cannot touch the man cookie. Stop it. Deal with your one.
Cherise, you know to say your jawbone and your eye. Okay. No, Cherise, your teeth a while ago.
Now, leave the man thing, the man.
Batman, this I ever
Cherise, you cannot do that. See the cookie around all over the place.
Me go ask a question. So, what go run down the cookie them where I roll with?
Cherise, well, what directly is that Cherise is that?
Well, at this point in time, we see Kevin win and Cherise is a thief.
And Cherise is a crook. We see that. We see that.
Come, Cherise, I'm not giving up on you, girl. Okay, okay, Cherise.
You better give up.
Come, Cherise. Come, Cherise.
Again,
all when Cherise put on the sitting lean pan her face, that's, you know, for teeth,
Cherise does directly come for that shit like cookie them. Come again to her. Come again to her.
Yeah, answer a question.
Yeah.
When Kevin done, you not got one migraine.
No. But if I don't laugh, you have it, you know, sit there. Yeah. Grab it, man. You make the cookie job. Kevin, you make the cookie job. Kevin.
You know, see how lazy people do there something there. Kevin, there, house. Kevin,
the cookie is right there. You're the worst.
Okay. Cherise wastes one whole plate of cookie. Is there a penalty? Cherise buy back the cookie there.
Cherise thief, man. We stop watching Cherise. Cherise thief long time. Yeah, come on, yab it again. See.
Never you make the cookie get nervous.
No. Grab it now.
Birds, you make the cookie get nervous. So, look at the cookie there right there, someone and never shut the cookie. Come on, never, man.
Come on, the worst. Last one. Come, Kevin. No, me just think me a good coach.
But I want to know Cherise eat cookie and Cherise not drop one cookie from her part. She just say, me I'm cooking.
Cherise is a thief. Impossible. No, we figure out already, so Cherise is a thief.
What? She finally gets one. Kevin, you have to get this two, you have to beat Cherise.
No, man,
1-1 with them now.
Sita.
1-1 with them now. We're at 1.
Sita. Time added on. Come, Shabbat. Come, chef.
Look like him have sinus problem.
Sit there now. Yeah, have it. Nobody can tell you nothing.
Right. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Cookie challenge winner is Kevoy.
Yeah, and
Cherise, you can't talk for say no.
Cherise does
Cherise eat off one plate of cookie. I don't understand the purpose of this exercise.
ladies and gentlemen,
Cherise,
the winner!
Cherise not buying a breakfast this morning.
My team is the winner, yeah.
Okay.
The winner get cherries for go anyway. I want to go with her because she's a cook. They won't lock up the throne.
Beg somebody a broom now, Cherise, I go sweep up the cookie them when she throw.
After the break, Fox, News in 5. So come.
And the cleaning up of this.
All lined up, taken off the